Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install Microsoft Visual Studio. Here I am going to search Microsoft Visual Studio. I have visualstudio.microsoft.com. Here when you have this site with you, you can simply click on Free Visual Studio. And here we are going to install the Community Edition, Visual Studio Community. Let's click pre-download and it will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you can open the setup. I'm going to install it now. So the installer will install all the necessary packages after downloading. Once you got this window, you have number of items to be selected, and you can add different features to your Visual Studio IDE. Here there are tools to develop different types of applications. Based on the type of application you are going to develop, you can add these things. But remember, when you are adding these options, it will increase the size of the software as well. I'm going to add some of the required tools for me. So the required tools for you may be different than what I'm going to install now. So based on your requirement, you can add whatever the necessary tools from this place. I'm going to click install. Now we have successfully installed Visual Studio software, and we can launch the IDE now. I'm not going to sign in now, and here I have number of themes. I'm going to select this one and start Visual Studio. Right now I'm going to use Visual Studio to create new project. Therefore I can select this option. From this one I'm going to select Console app. I'm going to click this one and click next. I can give the project name. This is our first program and the first project, therefore I'm going to write hello world. I'm going to keep the location as it is. I'm not going to change the location. And next.